Hello everyone, I'm Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today I want to focus on 15 minutes opening shoulders and chest. So you're going to need a strap or a tie. Very good. And let's get started right here on your mat. So let's go kneeling on the mat. You can use cushion, you can stay seated even in a chair to do this one. This is Riley. He likes mommy's mat. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn sideways, you're going to see me better. And I want you to tuck your toes under. This is very uncomfortable for some people. If it's too hard, keep your feet flat. You can also be here. Okay? So try to set. And then we're going to grab, we're going to warm up the shoulders, the tie. Let's rotate maybe your shoulders backwards, and then we'll go with the strap or the tie. And I like to inhale up, exhale down and back. I'm planning to do some balance exercise as well, and we're going to stretch the shoulders. Now grab your strap. I want you to go very wide. Obviously, you won't do this one if you have shoulders pain. And we're going to inhale up. Now, can you go backwards? Go wider if you have to without bending the elbows. And slowly come back. Inhale. I'm going to touch the top of my head. There we go. If you can go a little bit shorter, go for it. Good. So make sure the head is not coming forward. You're not changing the shape of your body here to do this one. That's it. Up, inhale. Little exhale, and one more time. I can tell I have a little bit more tightness in my right shoulder. Now I'm going to stay here. Grab the strap a little bit tighter. Chin tuck, and open your arms towards the back of the room. So this is what I'm doing here. Up. Good. Now, probably you're feeling a little bit of discomfort at your toes. Just breathe. If it's getting too much, release. Again. That's it. Can we do one more? Good, and release. Rotate your shoulders slowly backwards. And release your toes. You can tap right here. Let's do the cat and cow while we're right here on our all fours. Spread your fingers and starfish. And you're gonna look between your knees to hide your ankles. Let's slowly inhale to look up. You can do this one standing behind your chair and slowly round your back, chin to chest. And again, slowly inhale. Slowly exhale. If you want to create movement with your feet, inhale, feet flat. Exhale, tuck your toes under and round your back. One more time. Good. And release. I'm going to open my right arm to the side. I'm going to reach up. Exhale to go under. Let's go up again. Inhale. Exhale. And again up. And down. And one more time. Good. Now we're going to stay up. So try to open right here your arm. Shoulder is down in the pocket. Use your left hand right here on the earth to open. If it's getting too much, bring your arm behind your back. Are you breathing? See, we're so tight. Even myself, I'm tight now in my shoulders. Good. Let's take a breath. Inhale. Exhale. Wide knees. Let's rest your ear in contact with the earth. Look to the left. And bring your right ear in contact with the earth. I'm doing a puppy dog here. There we go. You ready? So feel the stretch behind your shoulder. And we're going to slowly come back. We're going to do the same thing with the left arm. Again, let's inhale up, exhale under, and again up to inhale, exhale. On the next one, let's keep the arm up and open, so shoulder in the pocket. Breathe. Use your right hand right here to try to rotate more towards the back of the room. Inhale, exhale. Let's go down, wide knees, and rest your left ear in contact with the earth. And go back to your breath. Beautiful. Come back slowly. Let's stand on the mat. We're gonna do the eagle. Bring your arms right in front. Bend your elbows. Right in front of left. And if you can, palms together. You don't need to cross your legs. But if you want to work balance, you're gonna cross your right in front of your left. Bring your elbows a little bit higher, your wrist away from your nose. Notice where you're feeling at. Behind your shoulders, which one? Inhale, exhale, try to sit. You're welcome to keep your toes on the floor or bring that leg around the other. Fix something, keep breathing. Good. Oh, my ankle is working a lot. That's okay. I'm going to inhale, reach up, release the leg. Exhale to release. Let's switch. Let's do your arms first, and then we're going to cross the leg if you want. I'm going to bring my left in front of my right. Again, try to bring your palms together or stay here. That's okay. And then if you want to cross your legs, go ahead. I'm going to inhale, exhale again. You're welcome to sit. Elbows a little bit higher and wrist away from your nose. Are you keeping your shoulders down? Can you bring that foot off the floor? You can play with it and bring it around. Fix something. Again, breathe here. Press your big toe right here on the earth. It's going to help for balance. Abs tight. And we're going to inhale, release the leg, release your arms. Exhale to release right here. Okay, let's go in warrior two. I'm going to keep the left leg in front. That's why I'm going to face you guys. Right, he's taking a lot of room on my mat. Okay, right here. Shoulders are down and back. You're going to bend the front knee, align with your ankle. Shoulders down and open your arms. You're going to understand why I'm doing a warrior two here. So try to stay nice and tall. Look at your left hand. Bring your elbow down, reach up towards the sky, and try to open more your arm towards the back of the room. Again, I want to create more space here in the chest to breathe deeper. And then scoop your arm, bring your arm by your ear. Keep your heart up towards the sky. Try to stretch your arm completely. Even your fingers, you can play with that down and open your heart towards the sky again. Inhale to open. Exhale. Good. And then let's stay open. I want you to feel tall from your heel all the way to the fingertips. Inhale up, exhale to release. I'm going to switch side. Oops. And let's go right here. We're going to go to the right, bend your front leg, shoulders down and back. And look to the right hand. Relax the jaw. Try to sit as low as possible. Respect your joints. Rest your elbow down and reach up with your arm. And try to open it towards the back of the room. Again, breathe. And scoop your arm, bring your arm by your ear. Straight arm. And we're going to inhale, exhale, rotate down, and then rotate up, inhale. Exhale down, and up. And again, one more. And we're going to stay right here. Straight arm if you can. Stretch your fingers tall. Good. Inhale up. Exhale to release. Bring your legs back closer to each other. We're going to go back on the mat. We're going to do rotator cuff. For some people, it might be a little bit harder to understand. So I'm going to lay on my side. I'm going to bend my elbow so you can rest your head right here on the cushion. Okay, fingers are pointed up towards the sky. Using your other wrist, you're going to press down. So my hand down. So my elbow is in line with my shoulder. I have a 90-degree edge to my elbow and I'm relaxing my shoulders. Where do you feel it? Good, are you breathing? There we go. I do this one often. Rotator cuff are often very tight. I think one of my clients was flexible in her shoulders. One. Good. And I'm going to slowly release. We have two sides. Oh, I won't be able to use Riley as my pillow then. Okay, let's go. Bring your elbow in line, again with your shoulder. Using your other hand, press your wrist down. And rest your head again on the cushion. Feel the difference between both shoulders. There's always one tighter. Beautiful. Okay, and we're going to slowly release. Have a seat on your mat. You're going to push forward round your back. And reach up, inhale. Exhale to release. Let's bring your arms right here in cactus. And I'm bringing my chin back as well, so double chin. I know it's not very pretty, but it's just to correct posture. And bring your right arm behind your back. Bring it as high as you can between your shoulder blades. I'm going to turn around just to show you quick. Right here. Okay? No pain in the shoulder, just a stretch. Optional to bring your left ear close to your left shoulder. And again, just go back to your breath. Do you feel the opening? Do you feel the stretch in your neck as well? If you want to feel it more, you're welcome to use the weight of your left hand on your head. And release your head and then your arm. Rotate your shoulder slowly backwards. Let's do the same thing with your left. Try to bring that hand as high as you can and come back nice and tall. And then optional, right here to bring your right ear closer to your right shoulder, keeping the shoulders down and relaxed. Optional to use the weight of your left hand on your head. Breathe. That's it. slowly release your arm. Bring your head to neutral, release your arm right here, and rotate again your shoulders slowly backwards. Voila! This was to open the chest and stretch your shoulders. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.